Good evening, and welcome. Hollywood is buzzing with a fresh wave of star power as Kit Harington, best known worldwide as Jon Snow from Game of Thrones, has officially joined the cast of Hulu's highly anticipated limited series, Count My Lies. Harington will be sharing the screen with two of Hollywood's most intriguing talents, Lindsay Lohan and Shailene Woodley. The series, adapted from Sophie Stava's best-selling novel, promises a tangled web of deceit, glamour, and suspense. Sources say Harington will step into the role of Jay Lockhart, a central character whose charm and complexity add an irresistible layer to the story. Fans are already speculating on how this trio's dynamic will unfold, particularly given the darkly comedic tone hinted at in the series' logline. The plot of Count My Lies centers around Sloane Carraway, portrayed by Shailene Woodley, a compulsive liar who somehow lands a coveted nanny position in a household brimming with secrets. Lohan plays Violet, a captivating figure whose charisma masks deeper mysteries, while Harington's Jay Lockhart adds an enigmatic male presence, setting the stage for a high-stakes game of deception. The story explores themes of trust, manipulation, and ambition, all wrapped in a suspenseful narrative that promises both intrigue and drama. Analysts suggest that the casting of Harington, a proven talent in both fantasy and contemporary roles, elevates the series' appeal, particularly for audiences seeking psychological thrillers infused with star power. Kit Harington's career trajectory makes him an ideal fit for this series. Currently starring in HBO's financial drama Industry, which returns for its fourth season in January, Harington has showcased his versatility, moving from medieval fantasy to modern-day corporate tension with ease. His recent work includes a guest role in Netflix's Too Much, created by Lena Dunham, and an upcoming appearance in BBC One MGM+'s miniseries adaptation of A Tale of Two Cities, set for 2026. In film, he's appeared in major productions, including Marvel's Eternals and Apple's The Family Plan 2. This blend of television and cinematic experience positions Harington perfectly to navigate the intricate character of Jay Lockhart, a man entwined in a household where deception is the currency of power. Behind the camera, Count My Lies is shaping up to be equally compelling. Isaac Aptaker and Elizabeth Berger, known for their sharp storytelling, are adapting the novel and serving as executive producers through the Walk-Up Company. Lohan and Woodley will also executive produce, signaling their deep creative investment. Director Antonio Campos, renowned for his meticulous style, is attached to both direct and produce, ensuring the series will balance suspense with emotional depth. With 20th Television producing and Sophie Stava herself involved in production, this project represents a careful collaboration between talent both in front of and behind the camera. Industry insiders are already predicting that the series could be a breakout moment for Hulu, blending high-profile casting with nuanced storytelling. The series' premise, a household steeped in secrets and lies, offers fertile ground for suspense and character drama. Analysts note that Harington's Jay Lockhart may serve as both a foil and a catalyst in the narrative, challenging Sloane's manipulations while navigating his own hidden agendas. With Woodley's Sloane embodying cunning and charm, and Lohan's Violet adding layers of unpredictability, the interplay between these three central figures is likely to become the heartbeat of the story. Viewers can expect tension, unexpected twists, and moments that blur the line between ally and adversary, making the series not just a drama, but a psychological puzzle demanding careful attention from its audience. From a production standpoint, Count My Lies reflects the growing trend of streaming platforms investing heavily in limited series with high-profile casts. Hulu is clearly positioning itself to compete with other platforms that have made event-driven, star-studded series their hallmark. By pairing established actors like Harington, Lohan, and Woodley, with seasoned producers and directors, Hulu is signaling a commitment to quality storytelling. Experts suggest that this approach not only draws existing fans, but also captures new viewers seeking suspenseful narratives with rich character development, potentially setting a benchmark for future limited series adaptations of popular novels. Fans of Harrington have shown immediate excitement online, with social media abuzz over what his involvement might mean for the series' tone and intensity. Industry commentators point out that Harrington's presence brings credibility and a global fanbase, which could translate to strong initial viewership. Meanwhile, Lohan's return to a high-profile project after years of public scrutiny is being seen as a major career moment, and Woodley's proven track record in character-driven roles ensures the series will maintain both dramatic and emotional depth. Together, the trio's dynamic promises a blend of suspense, charm, and unpredictability that will keep audiences invested from the first episode. The adaptation also highlights the growing collaboration between actors and executive producers in shaping creative direction. Lohan and Woodley, taking on dual roles as leads and producers, suggests a hands-on approach, likely influencing casting choices, story arcs, and the overall aesthetic. This type of creative involvement often results in more authentic performances and a stronger connection between character and narrative. Coupled with Campos's directorial vision and the experienced production team at 20th Television, the series appears poised to strike a balance between stylish visual storytelling and compelling character-driven suspense that appeals to both critics and viewers alike. As anticipation builds, Hulu has yet to announce an official release date, but industry insiders speculate a 2026 launch, aligning with Harrington's other major projects. Count My Lies represents more than a streaming series. It's a confluence of literary adaptation, star power, and modern storytelling techniques designed to capture audience attention in a competitive market. With Harrington, Lohan, and Woodley leading the charge, audiences can expect a thrilling exploration of deceit, ambition, and human complexity. One thing is clear: this limited series promises to be a must-watch event, and viewers around the world are already marking their calendars to see how these tangled webs of lies will unravel.